this video, we're going to talk about how to use the power rule when negative exponents are involved. So recall that the derivative with respect to x of x to the n power is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. That's where you take this power, bring it down to the front, and subtract 1. So let's look at an example. F of x is equal to 1 over x squared. The previous way to solve this is you identify this as g of x, and you would identify this as h of x, and then use the quotient rule. However, sometimes the problems can be done a little easier by rewriting it as f of x is equal to x to the negative 2. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, and we take the exponent, bring it down to the front, and subtract 1. So we get negative 2x to the negative 2 minus 1. So we get f prime of x is equal to negative 2x to the negative 3. And so this is going to become negative 2 divided by x cubed. We would have got the same result if we used the quotient rule and then did some simplifying after, but this is much faster. In example 7, we're going to determine the derivative of x cubed plus 2 all divided by x. So in order to do this, we're going to split up our function into two different terms. So this becomes x squared plus 2x to the negative 1 power. And so now we want to take the derivative with respect to x. So this is going to become 2x plus 2. The negative 1 comes down to the front, so times negative 1. X to the negative 1 minus 1. So we get 2x minus 2x to the negative 2. And now to write that without negative exponents, you get 2x minus 2 divided by x squared.